Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to reap the benefits of beautiful red slash burgundy color that you did not have to dye. So I'm starting off with a stocking cap. This wig is from Premium Lace Wigs and their hair is so great. This unit is in 99J and the color, y'all, is so vibrant and rich. It looks more so burgundy right now, but in the sunlight, it more so has a red appeal. This color is amazing. Aside from not having to spend hours coloring this hair yourself, you also don't have to spend any time plucking this hairline. So you can put your tweezers aside, girl. You don't have to worry about doing that for this unit. You also don't have to worry about bleaching the knots because they already did it around the perimeter. This is a full lace unit, so this is how it's structured. On the inside, there are two combs on the side, and there's also a comb in the middle that you don't need. You can cut that off if you want to. And there's a comb on the bottom. So I'm just turning it over to show you all where the lace has been dispersed on the unit. So you have it at the top and also in the back. Now that black area that's there, you can still part in that area, but that's just how the cap is constructed. So parting the hair in the back, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to see lace rather than the wefted hair that you would naturally see from a lace front construction wig. Now, although much of the work has been done for you already, you want to make sure that the lace is customized a bit so that you can slay and have it looking flesh-like, matching your skin color. Now, I like to use this Airburst spray by Sally Hansen in color Deep Glow. This color is for my darker skin beauties. Now, if you're somebody with fair skin, you won't have to do any of this. You can just put the unit on and as is, it should look great and you can slay just that way. Or you can use the Sally Hansen in medium glow. That's more so your color. Now, after you spray, be sure to clean up with a makeup wipe and then you can move on to cutting the lace off, which is what I'm doing currently. After we've done this, we're gonna begin to install this unit. I cannot wait to show you guys what the slayage looks like with this red hair, y'all. It is gorgeous. Some cool things that I should point out about this hair is that not only is it bomb, but it's under $200 and you have options for the texture. You also have options in regards to the type of hair that you select. So you could get this hair in Mongolian, you could get it in Malaysian, Brazilian. Mine is in Brazilian virgin hair, but you could also switch the texture. So mine is in body wave, but the link that I provided in the description box, it has it for Malaysian straight. So if you want this unit straight, if you want it in deep wave, water wave, girl, you can choose between a number of different textures. I've never seen that done on a website. That is so cool. So this is what this unit looks like before ever securing it or anything. You could opt for just the combs or sewing on an elastic band, which also came with this unit. I didn't show it though, but there was one that was provided. So I'm just gonna part it off where I desire for my part to be. If you wanted to wear it down the middle, you could do that. Again, it is a full lace, so you can part it anywhere. So now that I have the hair parted where I desire, I'm gonna pull the unit back and begin securing it with Got2b glue gel. I'm gonna be using the Got2b glue in the yellow bottle, and I share this bottle all the time. This one is my favorite. For those who have asked me in the past how long this gel lasts, I generally take my units off at night, so I'm not leaving them on for 3 and 4 days or anything. But in the past, I have left a unit on for 2 days, maybe even 3 with the Got2b glue gel. Now, if you're someone who sweats a great deal or if you're involved in active sports, then this Got2b glue adhesive is not going to be what you need. You may need something like Bold Hold or maybe Ghost Bond, or even Esha. I've shared that on my channel. If you haven't seen those videos, you may want to check those out because that glue is water resistant. Those also last a good amount of time. On the bottle for Got2b glue, it does say that it is water resistant, but y'all, it's not. If you contact water at all, it's gonna lift. So right now I'm just positioning the unit and I'm just gonna place it down, and after placing, I like to use the back of my rat tail comb in order to press into the lace to make sure it's all secured. And this one was actually really easy. I didn't have a whole lot of hiccups along the way. I usually will place it down and then I have to go back in with gel. And if you have to do that, don't worry, it happens to the best of us. I actually had one little section that I did not place enough gel in. So I'm just gonna lift that section, place some Got2b glue on the back of my rat tail comb, and then I'm just gonna put it in that area, use my blow dryer on the cool setting again, and then just lay it down. Now that the unit has been secured to your liking, you just need to refine the part and you're pretty much done. This hair looks really great. I'm just combing out the hair currently. You can decide to go in and curl it, but I like the waves that were in it. So I'm just finger combing and then using my detangling brush to comb and give the hair more volume. And then I'm just going to show you all a quick style. Before we style, you can decide to flatten out the top a little bit, and I like to use mousse, but you can use a straightening comb to do so. I always go for this method because I feel like it's faster. So you can just place some mousse at the top and then just comb it down and it'll flatten it right out. Now I combed through this hair a great deal during the process, and y'all, I only experienced a small amount of shedding. You can barely even see it. That's such a good sign of the quality of this hair. Also, if you'd like to blend out the front hairline a little more, feel free to grab your foundation, whatever color that may be, and also a small brush, and begin brushing that onto the area right near the start of the lace, and it'll make it look like it grew out of your scalp. Another thing that you can do in order to make it look more polished is to take your loose powder and go into the part with that particular product. Some people use their concealer, but I just like using the loose powder, so feel free to do that as well. For those who may be wondering, this is how long the unit is. It comes down to my waist and in the back down to my tail. It's really long. And I am going to show you all what the parting looks like in the back after using the Sally Hansen airbrush spray. It looks so much more natural. I'm going to grab a comb and part it off for you all just in case you were wondering what that actually looked like after. Looks really good. So now we're going to do a style.
What?
Alright ladies, I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also check the description box for the link to this bomb unit. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Bye guys!